Hello everyone, I'm Camille. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm in the Upper East Side of Miami, and Upper East Side Miami is one of Miami's first neighborhoods. So you'll find mid-century architecture, some of our iconic hotels like the Vagabond Hotel. There are many restaurants and cafes. It's somewhat of a walkable area as well. There is a new waterfront apartment community, Adela, and so I'm here to show you some of their apartments and what you can get for $2,000 for a one-bedroom and $2,600 for a two-bedroom. Right now I am in their model two-bedroom apartment, so I'm going to show you around. So first up, let's start with the two-bedroom tour, and then I'll show you the one-bedroom. I'd love if you subscribed and hit the thumbs up button and let me know, would you like to see more videos like these? What was your favorite? Thank you. So we're here in the two-bedroom model. As you see right here, here is the kitchen area. And right over here on this side is where you'll do your laundry. There is the washer and the dryer. We have a balcony, so there is a view of the street in this model. And right over here we have the bedroom, very nicely decorated as well. Of course, again, this is just a model bedroom. What I like about this is it has a nice window bringing in a lot of light, and we have a very huge walk-in closet with lots of space to store your stuff. And over on this side is the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. You get both a shower and a tub in this model. Walking out back into the living room, we have a second bathroom and another walk-in closet. And of course, the bedroom. Again, with lots of lights coming in. Huge windows. That is your two-bedroom model apartment. This one is 1,085 square feet, and it starts at $2,600. Now walking out into the pool area. As you see, there's lots of people hanging out here, enjoying the beautiful weather. And there are so many great amenities. The gym, you can definitely stay fit, stay healthy. There's lots of workout equipment. Here is a one-bedroom at Adela. When you walk in, directly to your right is the kitchen area, where of course you have your refrigerator, your cupboard space, your microwave, and your oven. This unit is 715 square feet. So here would be your living room area. This model goes for, it starts at $2,060, so $2,060. The great thing about this one, it has a great street view and a nice surprise, a view of the bay. So you have your living room area right here, your kitchen area, and then when you walk over here, this is where you have your laundry. So you have your washer and your dryer. Over to the left is the bedroom area. So you have a lot of space here for your queen bed. And this opens up to your closet, and it has different spaces to organize all of your things. Let's take a look at the bathroom. I love this shower. Imagine walking into this. Love it, love it, love it. So now we are in one of the smaller units, which actually maybe might actually be one of my favorite ones so far. This one is 500 square feet, just a little over 500 square feet. So as you see, as you walk in, you have a view immediately as you walk in. So to start, let's check out the view. The amazing thing with this one is you have a view of the complex, you have a view of the pool, and the whole property. I mean, check this out. So, what did you think? If you were to rent, would you go for a 2-bedroom or one of the 1-bedroom units? If you liked the 1-bedroom units, which one did you like? Let me know in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you'd like to see more videos like this. Again, if you haven't subscribed, would love if you join the family. And I look forward to hearing from you. Would you like to see more videos like this? See you soon.